Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is, as you can see in the title, it is going to be about the new Jackie Aina times, right here, Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I got the PR package yesterday. I wanted to do the video yesterday, but I couldn't, but now I'm doing it now for you guys. Came with this really cool bag, and I really like it. It's like super dope, and it's huge. As you can see, it's really big. So it came with that, but I'm so excited to try the palette for you guys. So I'm gonna do like a little eye look with it. So if you're ready for that, just go ahead and keep on watching. Palette, as you can see, it looks like this when you open it, and it's just very iridescent. The brush fell, but it's really nice. I went on and I swatched it for you guys because some of you guys said that you guys wanted me to swatch them, so I did. So I put them right here all over my arm because, you know, I don't have that much storage on my phone, so I had to do it beforehand. As you can see, I have swatches here, but that is how it looks like. As you can tell, this one has like more of a greenish tone. Like, it's like so cool, it's so dope. And like, these are all the swatches. There's like one right here that's kind of like iridescent too, and it's very sheer, that one. But it's really cool. It kind of has like this kind of duochrome kind of look to it. You just can't see with my lighting, but it's really nice. I still don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do, so we're gonna go see, but I am so excited to try on this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and then I'm gonna start off with my lid. So first I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and with this one, just a little one goes a long way. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm only gonna do one eye on camera, and then I'll do the other eye off camera so I can save some time. I like that you guys could only see how it looks in one eye and you don't have to focus on the other eye. So yeah, now that one eye is primed, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a shade. I am so scared because I'm not that scared, but I just don't know what to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just pick at the color edges right here. I feel like this color is really pretty, so I'm gonna go in with that. This little Wet n Wild brush that I have, we're gonna go ahead and with edges, we're gonna just kind of add that out right here. I'm just gonna blend that, kind of tap it in there and just blend it. So far I really like how they're pigmented. I'm trying to get a little bit because I just don't want it to go too crazy since I'm going with in a dark color, but so far it's really pretty. I actually really like the palette. I think it's a really nice colored palette. It's very nice. I like it. I know a lot of people were like kind of like upset about it, and like, you know, there's all these issues about her and everything, but honestly I just don't really care for that. Right here I'm just focusing on just makeup. So far I like the way it's working. I'm just gonna review it for you guys for those that actually want it. So it's really nice, and I like the way it's blended. So I'm gonna go in with another shade right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Credit, which is like a dark brown. I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm just gonna add a little bit on the outer corner. And I'm going very lightly. I'm doing swiping motions, and so far it just looks really nice. I like how it's deepening it. I feel like my lighting kind of washes it out, but it's actually deeper than it looks on camera right now. Bringing it slowly over here on the inner corner of my eye. See, what I really like about it is that I feel like her intention was to make kind of eyeshadows for darker complexions that it can show up, and I feel like these shadows will show up on a darker complexion, and I like that a lot. So she did a good job on that, so she should be very proud of herself in that way, because she did really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep adding a little bit here and blending it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get a pencil like brush, get a little bit of the Credits right here, the darker shade that I used, and I'm gonna get that and add it on my outer corner just to connect them. See how beautiful that looks? So far I really like it. It's gonna look better once I'm done, but I'm gonna go ahead with another color now. I'm so excited to try it more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade big wig, which is like this purple, and I'm gonna add that next to the outer corner right here and just kind of add those together, only using tapping motions to add it. I'm just gonna continue tapping it. So far I really like it. I don't know how well it blends, but so far I like how the deep purple looks, and it looks so pretty. As you can see, I'm only adding it like in the middle of my eye and the outer corner, because I'm gonna go ahead and add more like the Shookington color there, but so far it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that little bit of that purple into my outer crease too, so it can kind of blend in with that brown. Kind of deepen it, but it's so pretty so far. And I'm also gonna grab that purple shade and I'm gonna bring it to the bottom part here of my eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the same brush that I used on my crease, but this time I'm gonna go and get the shade Pinker, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna use that to blend the purple and the brown together on the bottom of my eye. And just blend it all over here as well. I kind of blend that a little bit higher here so we can get some of that pink in there. Pretty that is looking. So now I'm gonna go in with the shimmery one, which was the Shookington. And I'm gonna use my finger for that because it's like really buttery. And I'm gonna just kind of tap it in here. That's me not wetting anything with it. It's just literally just my finger, and it's just so pretty. With my other finger, I'm gonna go in with the Wigglies, I think it's called. Yeah, Wigglies, which is like this reddish tone. And I'm gonna kind of add it right next to the Shookington one. See how beautiful these kind of blend together? It's just so nice. So now I'm gonna go in with another brush, and this brush is gonna be more like of an inner corner brush right here, as you can see. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get the shade Zam right here, this one right here. And I'm gonna, don't wanna get that one. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get Trust Issues, this one right here, which is like an iridescent one, and I'm gonna add this on my inner corner. Look how much it grabbed. So be really careful. And I'm just gonna add it on my inner corner and blending it in. Look how pretty that is looking. I feel like I need to get a bigger brush for this. Let me go ahead and get a bigger brush. This brush right here. And this time I wanna wet it just so I can see how it looks. It looks good, but I want it to be more intensified. So I'm getting my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it, and I'm gonna get the one of Trust Issues again, add it right here in the inner corner. As you can see, look at the difference. And I'm gonna bring it in right over here. So nice. Look how pretty that is looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the same right here, the same Trust Issues, and add it on my brow bone. And I'm doing little by little because I don't want it to be too much. But so far, that is how it's looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean some of these edges off right here, so it doesn't look too weird. But I'm also gonna deepen it just a tad bit because I feel like I should. So I am gonna add a little bit of more of the credit right here, the one that I had used. I'm gonna add a little bit of that to the outer corner right here, just to give like that deepen to the outer corner. And I'm gonna do the same on this outer corner. That is how it's looking, and I really like it. So what I'm gonna do is that, oh, you know what, I'm gonna add a little bit of that Shookington right here in the bottom of my eyes, so it can make it kind of stand out even more. Ooh, girl, I did put too much. Let me just kind of blend that out a bit. And I'm gonna get a little bit more of that pinker one, and I'm just gonna blend it. So pretty. I really like the way this palette is working for me. I know a lot of people have their own opinion on it, but I'm just here to do makeup. So so far I really like the way this palette is working. So if you're planning on getting it, so far I really do recommend it. I really like it a lot. I like the color story of it. I like how the colors blend. It just looks really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, I'm so excited to just keep moving forward. But so far, look how the eye looks. It looks really nice. I actually really love the palette. I really, really do. It's just so dope. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Kush mascara just to coat my lashes. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my Melt Cosmetics. This is a all day, everyday eyeliner. And this is in the shade Filth, and it's like a brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this on my waterline. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my lashes. These are the Rouge and Rogue lashes in style Eclipse. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply these off camera for you guys, and then I'll be back to finish off this look. Okay, now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloss on. I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel London. This is the Stay Glossy, and this is in the shade I can't find the name of this. I don't know why they don't have it like there, but this is like a glossy look. You guys can't really see it, but it's like very cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my lips. Okay guys, so this is the final look using the Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Okay guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of me using the new palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really do like the palette. I feel like the shades and everything's just so pigmented, to be honest. Like everything's just so nice, and I really did enjoy using it. So I mean, honestly, all the negativity on this palette is like not even worth it, because like it's gonna sell because it's so good, and it's just I really enjoyed it. That's my opinion. I don't want to like say anything else, because honestly it's not even worth it. I really enjoy this palette. Look how beautiful that looks. Like it's just so iridescent and so nice. The colors were everything to me, and I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and hopefully it was easy to follow along. I feel like it wasn't that hard for me to do for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys saw this whole video, give me your thoughts on the comments below. Tell me what you guys think. What do you think about this whole palette? Like, do you like the color? Do you not like it? What don't you like about it? What do you like about it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter, you guys go ahead and follow me there. I'm gonna leave my little name here, and I also leave it in my description down below. If you have not checked my other videos out, go ahead and check them out. I am a small creator, so it will mean a lot for me, and it will help my channel a lot if you give my channel a thumbs up, and if you comment, that will help my video like be shown, and it would help a lot. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy this. And I keep rambling, but it's gonna keep happening if I keep talking. So yeah, I think I'm done. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.